Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at how to select multiple objects and shapes with the CAD feature, and this will be for FabriCAM software. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, we're back into the program here. Now, just a reminder, this is a mini series on selection. We didn't have too many left, but we've got I think about two left, two different ones to look at. And we already looked at your basic selection, which was the left clicking. Now, after that, we looked at box selection, and today we're going to be looking at selecting multiple shapes or items. Like a reason why you would want to do that is, let's say you only want to select perhaps this block without these lines here. As you can see that if I use the box selection, I get all of them, but so let's say I only want to remove this block here. So what we can do, where this works slightly different to the cam, with the cam I could if you guys can remember, I can simply just click and it will select all of them, where in this one it does not do that. I actually have to use a modifier, which in this case will be control. So if I select control and keep control in, you can see I can select multiple objects or shapes here, and if I select that same shape again that was selected, it will deselect it. So that is also quite handy to know, that is how you can select and deselect, but make sure you obviously keep control in. So then let's say now we want to do that, so I'm going to box select over here, and then I can now simply keep control in and remove these ones, like so. Cancel. I actually want to edit them, so now I want to edit all of them. So let's try that again. Box select. Now keep in mind most of these are multiple lines, so you won't see the update because they're on each other. I'll just do that, and I am presuming now these two, there'll still be two blue lines when I'm done. So then what you can do is you select delete, and you see we can remove that inner cube over there without removing the top lines, which can be quite handy if that's what you're going for. Now yeah, just a quick recap again. So to select multiple shapes, you can obviously do with your box selection, but if you want to do in between things where it gets tricky, where the box selection just doesn't allow you the right control, then what you can do is you select with your left mouse button, keep control in, and select the other lines you want to remove. And then obviously if you've selected something by accidentally and you want to deselect it, you can just keep your control in, select that shape again, and then it will do that for you. But yeah, otherwise that is it of selecting multiple objects. Pretty straightforward, but like I said, if you're used to the actual cam side of it, keep in mind with this one you have to keep controlling. Yeah, otherwise if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search on the top right. If you do not however find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.